Welcome to another lovely video, guys. Take 2 brown cups of different size and remove the top parts. Have some sticks, break it into the size of the cups. Stick around it. Have some barrel-like thing around that. Have a cardboard cut out like a rounded rectangle. And have a log of cardboard. Stick it like that. Stick the big one on the side and the little one a little higher. Make some logs of wood, make it like a staircase. Have a fence like the remaining sticks. And you can place your favorite parts in that. Isn't it looking lovely? The staircase to paradise. Yes, guys, you're gonna make some lovely baskets or containers to put your favorite little pots in this video, so stay tuned. You need a box without a lid. Take that and a piece of cardboard sheet and cut it into a shape like this. You have a popsicle like sticks and paste them all over onto them, and also to the box as well. And secure the shape with some triangle shapes. Do the same with the other parts of the boxes as well. You have a stick around it, cut it up into half and close the lid, and attach the popsicle sticks onto it. It's looking lovely. They have a little house. You can also make some farm animals which will suit them absolutely. Take the brown cup and cut it all the way to the bottom like a sun, and wind some thick thread onto it in an alternating fashion, leaving one in between. Once when you wind all the way, secure the top so that it covers everything. Have some rings of different size and wind the thread again to it. Glue the sticks onto it, close to each other like a wheel, and attach poles across the wheels and fix the third wheel as well. Now it's a cute tricycle. Place your little pot onto it. I'm so keen to try it and I want to know if it moves. Is it looking cute? Take some black twigs and cut the excess part, make an egg shape, and also make an excess log at the bottom. Make 2 of them and have a stick of log on the top, and make a roof on top with cardboard, and have an excess part of a circuit and do the same as we did before with logs, and have a string around it like a snake, and add some details like as it makes like a hut. Do the braiding things on top, wondering if it gets enough sunlight. So these plants doesn't require much sunlight, right? Take a big brown cup and the top part and have a thick ribbon and place the tips at the bottom and wind them together as if like a basket. Do the same up to the top and stick the remaining part inside. Remember the wheels we made? Attach them here and put your favorite plant inside. A wonderful plant in a cart. I wish to move it. Does it move? Thank you for watching this video, guys.